Good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well. We are currently en route to Chester, South Carolina on this slightly overcast Saturday morning. We're gonna go check out Chester State Park. Now, I've actually been to this fishing location before, and it's really nice. I've been meaning to do a video about it, just haven't gotten around to it. Chester State Park, it has a 160-acre lake. It has a boat ramp. There's playgrounds for the kids. They got restroom facilities. They have camping facilities. They have nature trails. If you don't have your own kayak or canoe, they have canoes and john boats for rent here. It's really nice. It's one of my favorite places to go. Now, unlike some of the other places that we've been, this one, there is a fee associated with it. For South Carolina residents, it's a whopping $2 to use this facility. If you plan to go to the state parks often, you can get you one of these, which is a state park pass that just goes over your visor. I believe that's $50 and is good for the year. If you'd like more information on this park, you can look down in the description section. I'm going to put some additional information down there. But in the meantime, let's go catch some fish. Oh. Heck yeah, come on. Yeah. Hell yeah. Woo. Ah, yes, 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 yes. Look at that guy. Solid. Buzzbait fish. Buzzbait fish, everybody. Buzzbait. Now it's time for the segment that I'd like to call Tackle Roundup. What I'm using today is it's a Strike King 3/8 ounce tri-blade buzzbait. It's really nice. Honestly, the real reason I'm using this buzzbait, not because it's the best lure for this particular time. I just got a new GoPro camera and I want to show the topwater splashes. So there's no really other reason than that. But if that first fish indicates anything, we may be onto something. So that concludes today's tackle roundup. Come on. There we go, come on. Whoa! Oh no! That was a huge fish. Oh my God, that was a huge fish. Oh, that was a huge fish. That was a huge fish. I mean, that was at least 7 pounds. And since I didn't catch it, it was at least 9 pounds. No kidding, but that was a huge fish, guys. Oh my God. Oh, that hurts. That was a legitimately huge fish. That was the biggest fish of my life. What do we got here? Oh, that big old, man, a big old nice crappie. Yeah, he's a healthy slab. Look at that guy. Crappie. Let's get him back in the water. Guys, there's another dude that's been out here fishing, like serious hardcore fishing, and he's been like out here in the middle of the lake just going back and forth the entire time since I've been here. But then as I started getting up towards his end of the lake, what happened? Can't see him. All of a sudden he gave up on the strategy of fishing out like in the middle where he'd been fishing, and then proceeds to fish. He just went around the corner, fished 30 yards in front of where I'm going and my stated trail has been. Game on. I'm ready to show this guy up. There he is. You see him, like he intentionally pulled over so that he could fish the water before I did. So my plan now is I'm gonna either catch a fish right here in front of him in his sloppy seconds water, or I'm gonna cut in front of him and do the exact same thing that he did to me. And we have Dale Earnhardt Jr. making a pass on the inside. You might want to put a shirt on. I got a little bass here. Little bass. There's some people over there fishing and they haven't caught anything. I love catching fish in front of other people. That's just a guilty pleasure of mine. Well guys, it is 1 o'clock and I think I'm gonna call it. Had a great time out here at Chester State Park. I encourage you to come check this out. This fishing adventure has been a lesson in modesty, and it's one of the things that I absolutely love about fishing. We didn't catch a ton of fish, but we had plenty of opportunities, and that's one of the things about fishing is it's all about making the most of the opportunities that are presented to you. I actually hooked up with the biggest fish in my entire life, biggest bass in my entire life. Didn't get it to the boat, but the thing is, I know he's still in here, and guys, if you end up catching him, leave him in here for me, because I want to get a piece of that action. If you'd like to know more information about Chester State Park, you can look down in the description. I'm going to put some additional information down there. While you're there, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This channel is updated every week with new fishing adventures, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Please comment, like, dislike, do your thing. I'll see you next week. This is Josh with Abide Fishing. Oh, and just in case you were wondering, the park rangers have worms.